Oh my days, I'm looking crusty. Let me get ready for the day first. That's better, girl. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be putting together our drawers from IKEA. These are the drawers. We started putting them together yesterday, and this is the rest of the set. So I'm going to put this together and hopefully put the drawers in there and then put it in the bedroom basically. The mattress came from Dreams this morning, so I can't wait to open it up and put it on the bed and just get this place starting to get sorted out, because right now all this bits and pieces everywhere is driving me a little bit crazy. First of all, let me find the instructions. I need a chocolate before I even start this thing. These chocolates are not. Anyway, step one. And you love my slime no matter how chipped my tooth is. So we are getting there. That is the frame of the drawers. Still a few bits and pieces to put onto it, but that is pretty much the idea. Alright, so all done. This is the finished product and this is how it looks in the bedroom. Looks like you guys are getting a sneak peek of the room. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Literally, I love doing DIY. What else needs to be put together? Should have shown you guys us putting together Cairo's wardrobes. Those were more difficult than putting up these drawers. But yeah, stay tuned guys for the next video. Take care, God bless, and keep yourself safe. Take care guys, bye.